So I let these niggas take me outside. Look at this nigga. Okay, I got Bkaby8, cousin. I got my sister with me. We outside. God damn it. I don't know how I got these niggas to let me. I don't know how I got to knots. I'm gonna let you know that much. I stutter a lot, but I don't understand it. We are in Buena Park, I believe. Yeah. But we at Knots. We're gonna show y'all a little bit of something. Try to get on some rides. I'm gonna see if I can hold my phone on some of these rides, but some of this shit gonna be crazy. Shit, we're gonna figure it out. Yeah, I'm gonna do something.
I tried and I have to put it away now.
Either that or I'm gonna watch y'all do stupid shit in lines and take videos of y'all. That's all I'm gonna do. They're gonna be my content. Let me let you know. This nigga think he cool and shit. Look at this nigga. Alright, man. It's Chill Smokey. We got Raja. We got Bkaby8 in this motherfucker. We gonna have a little bit of fun. We at Knots.
It is what it is.
In this motherfucker.
Just got in.
I don't know which ride we're going to. Let's go do something. Let's go this way. I know there's more shit this way. Or y'all want to get on that?
Tag me your story.
Alright. We can go on that. I don't know. We're gonna show y'all a little bit of something. Niggas scary. They got me going on this little kitty ride. These niggas scary. Oh, she about to go get jewelry. Oh no, these niggas scary. Look at this little boy. Oh, that's the exit. You gotta go another way. Oh, that's the fast lane. I don't know where we're going. But they want to get on the little ride. I think it's this way. I think so. I don't know. These niggas scary. I'm going to show y'all this ride. Oh, I'm sorry. That's the pants. We all got fast passes. Couldn't deal with that other shit.
Well, yeah, let me put it on Instagram.
Like even my grandma.
Even
my grandma, she said, you know, grandma, when she seen me, she was like,
your grandma?
I thought that was Medina's son. You are Medina's son.
Like, what the heck?
Come on, dude.
What's wrong with you, son?
I'm trying to get the bracelet in front. It's not working.
How are you?
I'm not even up there.
Didn't take all that waiting in line shit. It's 90 minutes per ride. We had to come up on them, you know what I'm saying? We had to go get the AP. Let's do that. Man, we out here. I thought this nigga had a tattoo. Fuck no. Try knocked out. How y'all feel?
I feel good. Let's get it.
Nah, she was over there, eyes closed. Talking about, I have my eyes closed the whole ride.
It was.
Looking ass.
I'm busy a little bit, but it's alright.
It was cool though. I like that.
Yeah, first ride was decent. All right, we on to the next one. I would have recorded, but these hoes be a little bit too hectic to record. And I ain't got no, what do you call those? I ain't got one. So, fuck it.
Vlog. Next time, I'm going to keep my eyes open.
Let's just redo it again.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna try. It's hot. You know how black folks do? We finna get on this raging waters. Please get us a water ride in, because it's too hot. What?
I said we gotta see if we really get off.
Yeah. I got you. Chill out. We get to, you know what I'm saying? We got our own little thing too, so we strizzy. Strap yourself in, young buck. Yes, sir. Y'all scared?
No.
If y'all want to put y'all stuff in here, put it in here. It'll close everything up.
Oh, you put it in there?
Yeah, you can put it inside.
No.
So it don't get wet. You sure? I mean, throw that in there because you got electronics and shit.
Do anything?
Yeah, it has like a couple dips. It's nothing too crazy.
We should put turtles in here.
Yeah. Oh, we out of here in a second. I hate being backwards though. This is the worst part. Is being backwards. This is the worst part. Being back. Oh shit. No, no. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh! Hold on! Hold on! It's a little hectic. Oh no! Turn this motherfucker around. Turn it around. No, you can't turn it. Oh!
I gotta be back.
Oh! It's crazy down here. Oh shit! Oh man! Oh yeah, we good. We good. Oh no, we not. We not good. We not good. We not good. We not good. Oh no! Turn it around. Don't have me back here. Don't have me back here. Oh hell no. At least she in the back. Look. Oh here we go. Yep. Baby, dip. Oh shit. Oh shit. Here we go. Oh no. Not me. Not me. Oh no. I'm getting. Oh okay. Cool. All right. It's cold. It's cold. But it's worth it. It's hot out here, so we ain't that bad. But God, oh shit. Oh no. Yeah, we in here. Oh! Oh snap. Oh, but you'll dry off. You good? Oh shit.
Right here.
Oh, here goes the. Oh! Here we go.
Oh shit.
Here we go. Oh shit.
I feel like at the end it's gonna be bad.
Oh, there we go. Please don't hit us. Please don't do it. Please don't do it. Please don't do it. Please don't do it. Okay. I like you. Don't hit us with the water. When you press the bomb, it lets the water off. The kids, and it lets the water off. There's a thing that you can press on the outside of this. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, here goes the dip.
Oh, it's bad.
Here goes the dip. Here goes the. Oh shit. We made it.
No, we ain't making it.
We made it. We made it. All right, we out of here. That was decent. That was fun. At least you got it. When we walk around, we ain't gonna be as hot. Shit.
More wet than anybody.
Yeah, I'm for sure the soak.
I barely got wet.
Yeah, it's because we're light in here. If we'd have more people, it'd for sure been way worse.
Right.
Way worse.
Some strangers.
But yeah, we're almost done. We off here. Niggas need candy and snacks and shit. Can't get on rides because niggas want snacks. I'm just kidding. How you doing? Trains and shit.
Alright, what's this ride?
Huh?
What ride is this?
Subway Surfer or something
It's
like
Blue
that.
Magic, I think. Blue Magic. We finna hop on this. I don't know. Please.
The line is going right now. We get in on this one right here. I'm gonna show y'all when it comes by, but I'm scared. I really didn't want to come on this one, y'all. I didn't want to come on this one.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie.
I will not right away. Like I wanted to wait a little bit. We might come on it twice though if it's
That
right.
one first. Look at it. You tripping.
Yeah, I want to go on that one over there. I don't know if you want to see that. It's cool.
Look at the lizard. I'll catch it right now. I'm looking at him. Look at the lizard. Oh, it's gonna catch him. I'll take him on the ride with him. That was my bad.
Alright, look at y'all.
That's like the worst part. After that, you good.
Stops you at the top.
That's scary.
Oh, that's better. That's better.
And then it just lets you drop.
Good.
I feel
That ride was cool.
rejuvenated. I almost died, but it's alright. That one was actually really fun.
Yeah, that shit was
We're
crazy.
gonna go on it 3 times.
I still want to go on this one.
Yeah, we for sure gonna get on those rides, but we're gonna get on the water ride right now before the
Hey, this is
before the sun go down. We might as well. Oh. Oh, candy.
Hey.
Do not lean forward, especially during drive.
Don't drop it.
Hold tight. Don't even hold it like that.
Turn it the other way.
Oh shit.
Turn it the other way.
What way? This way?
Yeah, you turn the video off and then start it over. Hey. Turn it the other way.
I did.
No.
Around. Oh shit, why did you do that? I guess, I don't know. Hold it, hurry. You got it?
Yeah, I got it. Got it.
Even if you're recording yourself, I don't care.
You're the hillbilly. Oh, we're almost at the top?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Still going higher, but still.
It's going higher?
Yeah, it goes higher. There's a drop. That's all the way to the top. I'm talking about it. You gonna hold on to the phone?
Yeah.
Hold it tight. We're about to go down and drop.
Can't even see nothing.
I know.
Yeah.
But the takeoff crazy, nigga. The takeoff was crazy, gang. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, we out here. How you feel about the ride?
That was like really fun. I thought I was gonna fall and die. My eyes was closed.
Her eyes was completely closed most of the ride. Eyes. Yeah, I looked at you like, hey, open your eyes. It's the end. Fucking face. Look at my face. Nigga, I could feel the bone. That shit was pushing my face back. Nigga's face was like push, it was pulling me. That shit was too fast. Too fast. All right, time to get food. We gonna get some food, and then we gonna go smoke and drink. We in this motherfucker, we back, we high. I took a couple shots. I'ma add in the live stream into the vlog. So you'll get partial of the live stream, partial of the vlog. We in this mug. It is dark as hell, but we're gonna try to have a little bit more fun. My phone is on low percent, so if y'all don't get no more vlog, we'll be able to give y'all more of how we felt and how much fun we had when we leave this mug. You heard me? We up out here. It's cause you're young. It hurt way too much to be jumping that mama. I could do it. That ain't shit. But it's the fact my feet hurt.
I broke my leg. I mean, my foot.
I broke my leg. All right, niggas, we had fun. I have a little bit of battery. Hopefully my phone doesn't die before we get to the car. We had a funnel cake towards the end. A lot of good food. Any last comments? Here, take the phone.
He thought he was gonna record me falling. Hey, no, we had fun though. It was cool. We got on down there every ride except this one.
Oh, the wooden one.
Wasn't
Why
getting
can't
on
you even
this.
see the wooden one?
They was scared to get on this one.
Yeah, I'm not getting on that.
But yeah, everything else, it was fun. Who? Here? I was finna say. But yeah, we had fun. I wonder if anybody got injured here.
Probably before.
Yeah.
That's why they got
But
so
it
many
was cool.
precautions.
For sure. Hey, what you think, Roger?
All right, y'all. So the day went good. It went good as planned. The rides is cool. I kept my eyes open on the last 2 rides. I was actually happy. It was scary. Make sure if you go, get on the red ride. Oh, it's called the accelerator. And then I forgot what the other one is called, but it's the blue one. Them's the best rides. And then we also wanted to get on the one with the wooden ride. It's in the front, but we ran out of time. We had to go get the funnel cake, and the funnel cake was ass. So
Yeah, bro.
do not get a funnel cake.
Strawberries.
Yeah, just
Artificial canvas.
if you get a
They've been
funnel
sitting there
cake,
in the
just
back
get
for like 3 weeks.
get whipped cream and powdered sugar. That's it. But back to Jalen.
All right, y'all. We had a good time. I had fun. This was a family vlog. Y'all finally get to see my sister and my cousin. I ain't got everybody with me, but at least 2 of us. We had a little good time. All right, y'all. We'll probably do another little, ending once we get towards the crib or get out of here, but I'm tired. Like, comment, subscribe, all that. Turn the post notifications on. Turn up for a real nigga. My bad. I got the key and I can't. Oh, hold on, my bad. All right, y'all. Be safe out here.